not at the very start of the season. In the last, who left Ajaccio with 19 yellow cards over 2 seasons for their national sides over the last week and a half or so. Among them, that is the true secret to it all. It's not about what anybody else thinks, it's what he obtained, but you've got to show a little bit offensively as well. Over on Nassr, a trip to Tehran to meet Persepolis, and Nassr have responded superbly. Now they're staying out of the bottom 3. Vilmar Roldan, the latest big name, overly famous names for them, in fairness. Champions League playoff, all important against. Now there goes the other way. Goalkeeper looked a shade reluctant to confront him there, I must say. A good race.
Maybe not something that you anticipate seeing too often now, Ronaldo playing on the shoulder, but very nearly getting in his next run. Actually takes his line off the left. Impetus is on those 2 wide players to work really hard.
And Nassr got down the right.
Extend the amount of minutes that the players can play from the off, but at the moment, absolutely the coach is having to utilise everything they've got in reserve. So we'll see how it transpires as the season plays out.
They could even be in the relegation spots come the end of this weekend.
Majority of the players that have played with him, so character.
Happier when he's scoring goals, so you're not going to see a smile right here for a minute.
The first time he's been
and he doesn't get anything. Mane. They're still complaining that they should have had a free kick the other way. Mane saw him, he went on his own merry way, and he got the shot off. What a good hit it was. Nice strong riposte from the keeper there, Moreira, even if he didn't catch it. Tellez into Mane, and he tried to guide it at that far post, I think.
Doesn't get much better than that delivery from Tellez. I think he'd gone a fraction too early.
That was something to do for the other goalkeeper. He's slow to get there. Tavares was on his way past him, but he's missed the target as well.
What a chance. It's a brilliant ball, actually. It's beautifully played into the space. It doesn't get any bend.
To drive forward. Tavares spearing through the middle. Not really a pass he could make, but the next best was to win a free kick, which he has done.
Difficult pass to engineer through for Tavares. Probably would have been offside. So this is
left footed. He's done some good things in the game, really. Probably entitled to have a go, Sayoud, but never threatened.
Every game.
Available to them. Down the side goes Fuzet into the opposition box. He took too long under that. Laporte came across.
Yeah, Laporte just about applied.
Holding back there. What was your view of that challenge, sir?
A little clumsy.
But he's got someone on his outside, and here he is. This is the target. That's the top and bottom of that.
Another really well-fashioned opportunity. He's taken liberties a little bit. Tellez once more. I thought this was clever from Tavares. He recognised he didn't have the athleticism to get beyond the back.
Otavio floats one in there. Shade unlucky. Nice idea. Difficult skill, but we know he's capable of pulling it off Brozovic.
Again, I think an example of the similarities between the 2 players.
Ronaldo didn't really appeal for a free kick. Himself before he delivered. Gonzalez stayed firm, but Brozovic topped the shot a little bit. It's not easy. Ronaldo and Sayoud are exchanging some pleasantries at the moment. Was there? Goes on. Well, can really hurt this Raed backline, I think. Maybe now Mane. Yes, they do. Oh, what a strike! Sadio Mane. Nassr against the run of play have got in front.
They just got a little stretched, didn't they, for one of the first times. Could it all be falling apart inside
60 seconds here for Raed. Here comes Ronaldo. I thought that was going to burst the net, that one, did you?
I did, yeah, it probably needed that.
Anderson Conceição, known as Talisca, is coming on for Al Nassr. Start by Al Nassr. Tellus. Where's Talisca? Tame challenge by Norman. Moreno tried to steer it rather than power it. Moreno's going to drop on it, and the chance comes and goes.
Yeah, you said it. Norman's got to make the challenge there.
Better tempo about Al Nassr, I think, early in the second half. Talisca! Absolutely wonderful. 4 in 4 meetings now against Raed. Surely not better than that one.
It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Delicious strike. I think the goalkeeper has that problem because he's afforded so much space. He can go either side there, so he's not going to commit himself one way or the other too early. Probably got to watch
tempo in everything that Al Nassr has done. A fumble by the goalkeeper there. Kiddy gets away with. And we're speaking about it's well delivered this time. Goalkeeper in no man's land was left to turn round and hope. And another chance today for Raed comes and goes.
It's arguably the best ball of the game.
Going the other way. Alfano, great cross. Was Mane distracted? Either way, he missed it.
Oh, they're tough, those ones. I want to say it's a sitter, but when they're jumping up at your shins with pace, concentrate.
This time, can Fuzar do any better? Clean tackle. Referee sees nothing in it. The chance goes, like so many have come and gone for Raed. Fuzar still down. Talisca. Ronaldo. Offside. That's Yusa. Floats it in there, looking for Ronaldo.
Sure, to this point.
Talisca's benefiting from his injury, I think. On the edge again, or is this inside? Raed hoping it's just outside.
I think it's a good decision.
Tough Ronaldo. Time he's stepping up for a free kick here. I think the ground staff are just getting ready to order a new set of goalposts or goal nets, because if any of these go in today, they're going to do a lot of damage. Previous substitute. And they're still in it. Now they have a corner.
Not really, just grown and grown since those opening couple of games.
Ronaldo is able to see that all the way. Ronaldo took it down. Well played again, Moreno. It's becoming quite a duel between those two. Was he offside on one day? It looks like he has been given offside.
Yeah, brilliant pick out once more. And what I love about
Ronaldo. Here he goes. We've waited for it. Now the wait is over. The number 7 scores with 77 minutes and a little more on the clock. 3-0.
Contrast between the two sides there, I think, really evident in the last minute. How hard.
Another decent pass up to El Bakkali. Into the box he goes. They earn themselves a penalty for all their valiant efforts, even if it is to be in a defeat. But Raed do have the chance. And it's yellow, and I think Abdelala Omari is quite grateful for that. Fuzar against Al-Akidi. Does that end the argument? Well, I think it might be revisited in the week, but anyway, they've got a goal. They deserve a goal for everything they've put into this.
My goodness, it's some penalty.
Now the other way potentially. Ronaldo to expose the home side again. He sticks it in the net, but I'm not sure this is going to count either. Is it going to count? He's still celebrating. I wasn't certain the body language of the referee.